Music serves learning. Music serves knowledge. Music serves education. Grapie Academy.
Yo, it's Kyoho, science grape.
Flowers count.
How? Let me state.
Fibonacci in petals bright.
Math and nature.
Pure delight.
Count petals on flowers around.
Fibonacci numbers found.
Daisies have 34 or 55.
Fibonacci.
They thrive. Sunflower spirals too.
Fibonacci through.
1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13.
Fibonacci seen. Flowers count. Fibonacci.
Math, nature.
Lassie, lassie.
Petals, spirals.
Seeds line up.
Fibonacci.
Fills cup.
Each number is sum of 2.
Math, you and you.
Pine cones use Fibonacci.
Spirals in the pattern plucky.
Pineapples.
Fibonacci too.
Math everywhere.
True.
Nature loves the sequence.
Math is deep consequences.
Fibonacci elegant.
Nature's math intelligent.
You can count flower petals.
Fibonacci settles. Flowers count. Fibonacci.
Math, nature.
Lassie, lassie.
Petals, spirals.
Seeds line up.
Fibonacci.
Fills cup.
Each number is sum of 2.
Math, you and you.
Now you know.
Fibonacci.
Nature patterns.
Lassie.
Petals counted wisely.
Math, precisely.
Kyoho out. Yo, it's Kyoho, science grape.
Bees hexagons.
Why? Let me state.
6-sided shapes in hive hexagons thrive.
Bees build honeycomb hexagons, perfect shape.
No wrong pens.
Why hexagons?
Not squares.
Math answers.
No scares.
Hexagons fit together tight.
No gaps, everything right.
Use less wax to build.
Hexagons fulfilled. Bees hexagons perfect shape.
Math, nature.
No escape.
6 sides fit together clean.
Hexagons
Math seen.
efficient use of space.
Hexagons.
Grace.
Snowflakes also hexagon.
Symmetry.
No con.
Turtle shell pattern shows.
Hexagons.
Nature knows.
Basalt rock columns stack.
Hexagons.
No lack.
Soap bubbles cluster.
Hexagons muster.
You can spot hexagons.
Nature abounds.
Nons. Bees hexagons perfect shape.
Math, nature.
No escape.
6 sides fit together clean.
Hexagons
Math seen.
efficient use of space.
Hexagons.
Grace.
Now you know hexagons.
Nature's geometric cons.
Bees, snow, rocks, and more.
Hexagons.
Math lore.
Kyoho out. Yeah, it's Kyoho, science grape.
Galaxies, spirals.
How? Let me state.
Spiral patterns everywhere. Spirals in the air. Galaxies spiral through space. Milky Way grand embrace. Millions of stars in spiral arms. Spirals.
Nature's charms.
Hurricanes also spiral.
Spirals, not viral.
Water drains down. Spirals.
Spirals.
Go viral.
Spiral spin. Nature's geometry. Math. Symphony.
Galaxies, hurricane shells. Spirals, math spells.
Growing patterns all around.
Spirals found.
Snail shells spiral out. Spirals, no doubt.
Seashells, Fibonacci spiral.
Golden spiral. Viral.
Plants grow in spirals too.
Spirals view.
Sunflower seeds in spiral.
Math. Revival.
You can spot spirals.
Nature. No denials. Spiral spin. Nature's geometry. Math. Symphony.
Galaxies, hurricane shells. Spirals, math spells.
Growing patterns
through shells and plants.
Spirals dance.
Kyo-ho out. Yo, it's Kyo-ho, science grape.
Snowflake 6. Why? Let me state.
Six-sided beauty bright, snowflake symmetry sight.
Snowflakes always 6 sides. Symmetry, no hides. Water molecules line up. Snowflakes fill cup.
Hydrogen bonds shape ice.
Snowflakes, very nice.
6 arms grow from center out.
Snowflakes, no doubt. Snowflake 6, symmetrical, mathematical. Every single snowflake 6.
Symmetry the mix.
No two snowflakes same.
Math nature's game. Water freezes in triangles.
Snowflakes, no tangles.
6-fold symmetry unique.
Snowflakes, no freak.
Billions of snowflakes each winter.
Math nature, no splinter.
Microscope shows beauty.
Snowflakes on duty.
You can study snowflakes.
Symmetry takes. Snowflake 6, symmetrical, mathematical. Every single snowflake 6.
Symmetry the mix.
No two snowflakes same.
Math nature's game.
Now you know snowflake 6.
Nature's mathematical mix.
Hydrogen bonds make the shape.
Symmetry, no escape.
Kyo-ho out. Yo, it's Kyo-ho, science grape.
Leaves like trees.
Why? Let me state.
Fractals repeat the same.
Fractal patterns game.
Leaf shape mirrors the tree.
Fractal C.
Branches branch into smaller.
Fractal fills every corner taller.
Lightning bolts fractal too.
Fractal U.
Rivers branch into creeks.
Fractal streaks. Leaves, trees, fractal pattern. Nature, pattern.
Same shape, big and small.
Fractal answers the call.
Repeating on every scale.
Fractal prevail.
Coastlines are fractal wiggly.
Fractal giggly.
Mountains ranges within
Fractal.
the wind. Lungs and blood vessels branch.
Fractal, no ranch.
Cauliflower and broccoli,
Fractal,
so frolicsomely.
you can find fractals.
Nature's math rattles.
Leaves, trees, fractal pattern. Nature, pattern.
Same shape, big and small.
Fractal answers the call.
Repeating on every scale.
Fractal prevail.
Now you know, fractals rule.
Nature's math tool.
Same pattern, small to big.
Fractals, the gig.
Kyo-ho out. Yeah. It's Kyo-ho, science grape.
Shell spiral, how? Let me state.
Grow outward in a curl. Shell geometry, pearl. Nautilus shell grows larger, spiral, no charger.
Each chamber slightly bigger.
Fibonacci trigger.
Snails, conch, whelk, spiral.
Shell math, viral.
Logarithmic spiral shape.
Shell math,
No escape. Shells grow, spiral out.
math.
No doubt.
Nautilus, snail conch.
Shell math, pack a punch.
Grow while keeping shape.
Shell math, escape.
Creature grows inside shell.
Shell grows.
No cell.
Each turn, same proportion.
Shell math,
No distortion.
beautiful spiral pattern.
Shell math, slattern.
Math in every shell.
Shell math, swell. You can find shell math. Spiral path. Shells grow, spiral out.
Math,
No doubt.
while keeping shape.
Shell math, escape.
Now you know shell, spiral,
Math, no denial.
logarithmic spiral, true.
Shell math for you.
Kyoho out. Yo, it's Kyoho, science grape. Butterfly sim.
Why? Let me stay.
Left matches right, same.
Symmetry the game.
Butterfly wing, same both sides.
Symmetry, no hides.
Draw a line down the middle.
Symmetry, the riddle.
Ladybug spots match.
Symmetry, no catch.
Fish, birds, animals all.
Symmetry on the wall.
Butterfly sim.
Left equals right.
Math symmetry bright.
Mirror images match.
Symmetry in every hatch.
Bilateral, two sides.
Symmetry provides.
Human faces roughly sim.
Symmetry.
No whim.
Plants show symmetry too.
Leaves match through.
Symmetry aids survival.
Balance, no rival.
Easier to move and fly.
Symmetry, you try.
You have symmetry too.
Math,
Look at you.
butterfly sim, left equals right.
Math symmetry bright.
Mirror images match.
Symmetry in every hatch.
Bilateral, two sides.
Symmetry provides.
Now you know symmetry.
Nature,
Geometry,
butterflies, animals, people.
symmetry, a steeple.
Kyoho out. Yo, it's Kyoho, science grape.
Bees math, how? Let me state.
Bees are geometry stars. Bee math reach Mars. Honeybees communicate. Waggle dance figure eight. Angle shows direction.
Bee math, precision.
Number of wag shows distance. Bee math persistence. Scientific discovery.
Bee math, recovery. Bees math, smart and clever. Bee math forever.
Hexagons and dance directions.
Bee math sections.
Intelligent insect math.
Bee math path.
Can even count to 4.
Bee math more.
Remember, tested in labs.
Bee math grabs.
Calculate shortest routes.
Bee math salutes.
Traveling salesman problem.
Bee math solve them.
You see, bees do math.
Amazing aftermath. Bees math, smart and clever. Bee math forever.
Hexagons and dance directions.
Bee math sections.
Intelligent insect math.
Bee math path.
Now you know bee math.
Smart insects aftermath.
Dances counting hexagons.
Bee math.
Amazing suns.
Kyoho out.
Yo, it's Kyoho, science grape. Golden ratio.
How? Let me stay.
1.61 team.
Golden.
Great. Golden ratio, special proportion. 1 to 1.61 tate. No torsion. Greeks noticed it in math.
Golden ratio's path.
Parthenon built with ratio.
Golden.
Greek ratio. Art and architecture use.
Golden. Can't refuse. Golden ratio. Hiding everywhere. Math nature's flair.
Phi equals 1.618.
Golden. Truly great.
Art and nature both.
Golden ratio growth.
Nautilus shell.
Golden.
Fibonacci emboldened.
Sunflower seeds too.
Golden ratio view.
Da Vinci used this proportion.
Mona Lisa.
No distortion.
Modern design also.
Golden eureka.
You can find golden ratio.
Math? Eureka. Oh. Golden ratio. Hiding everywhere. Math nature's flair.
Phi equals 1.618.
Golden. Truly great.
Art and nature both.
Golden golden ratio growth.
Now you know golden ratio, nature, art, stratio. Phi 1.618 found,
Golden.
us down.
Kyoho out.
Yo, it's Kyoho, science grape.
Animals patterns.
How? Let me state. Stripes and spots on fur.
Pattern. You'll purr.
Zebras have black and white stripes. Pattern. Mathematical hypes. Leopards covered in spots.
Math patterns.
Lots. Giraffes have patchwork pattern.
Math.
No slattern.
Tiger stripes unique to each.
Math patterns reach.
Animals patterns. Math on fur.
Nature's
Pure. Stripes, spots, patches too.
math patterns for you.
Science explains formation.
Math, all creation. Turing's math explained how
Patterns grow somehow.
chemical waves interact.
Math patterns exact.
Camouflage and communication.
Math patterns.
Great creation. Butterfly wings beautiful.
Math patterns useful.
You can spot patterns on animals.
Math. Annals. Animals patterns. Math on fur.
Nature's
Pure. Stripes, spots, patches too.
math patterns for you.
Science explains formation.
Math, all creation. Now you know math patterns.
Nature's matters.
Zebras, leopards, tigers.
Math like mighty eagers.
Kyoho out.